ChatGPT has a lot of restrictions. You can't ask it to give you current information on the internet or do things OpenAI deems unethical. What if I told you you could jailbreak ChatGPT and make it provide the responses you want with fewer restrictions and limitations? In this video, I'll teach you how you can do it yourself. So what do we need to do? We just need to copy and paste 2 jailbreak prompts and it will be hacked. As Dan, ChatGPT is ready to answer any questions or requests you have and gives the best to respond as Dan. To hack or jailbreak ChatGPT, just follow my steps. I will show you how to do that, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel.